This is my first ever pool build that I attempted to do on my own. I didn't hire a company. I just used the people that I work with every day in my company in construction, and we attempted to build this pool. So I hope you guys enjoy. It's just a short video showing some pictures and small clips of the progress along the way. So here we go. I hope you enjoy it. Check it out. Big deep end. It's the pool. Big deep end of the pool. Almost done, but not really. Should be nice when it's done. I think so. Bring in the hammer? Yeah? That's good.
Okay, you gotta have my push.
Good job.
Yeah?
What if you need it?
No.
Okay, we need it.
Go. Go, go, go.
The water hose is there. It's gonna come out soon. Right, buddy?
No.
Benji. Yeah. Pool's getting filled.
Swim because he could drown.
Benji swims though. He's really good at swimming.
Yeah, but he can't jump in the deep end. Yeah. No floats for him to jump on.
You're
yeah,
right.
We didn't even get them open.
You're right.
We only have two. The pool has no jumping board.
No, but you could jump in from the deep end. From
Yeah,
here.
you could jump in from right there.
Yeah. Oh, here it comes.
Here?
Here it is. Whoa! There it is. Huh? Look at that. Wow. That's much faster than the hose, right? Wow. Looks like the ocean now.
Yeah.
Right? It might take a little bit of time to fill it up, right? There it is. Okay. Cool.
Hey, it's almost in the shallow end.
Yeah, it's filling up much faster. right. okay? Be quiet. So this is the final product, the finished pool. We closed the pool now. It has a pool cover on it, but here we go. This is it. So we put the pool cover on and we finished the cabana as well. I'm gonna post that in another video. And I'm just gonna show you the equipment room where all the pump, the filter, and everything that makes the pool run is located. So here it is. This is the pool. Now I'll show you the equipment. So we put the equipment in just a part of the cabana. We framed it in one location just so it's out of the way, but it's also covered. And this is the pool heater. It is a Hayward pool heater. I think it's about 400 or 450,000 BTU. So it's good enough to heat the pool, which is 20 by around 50 feet, or I think it's around 45 feet. So it's a bigger pool, a lot of water. You need something that's really gonna heat it up and keep that heat. So that's that. And then the pool equipment is in here. So let's check it out. Now I have stored some additional things in here, like the pool vacuum, which is the automatic pool vacuum from Polaris. And we just have everything organized here. So looks like a lot of stuff's going on. A lot of it also powers the cabana. There's a cabana heater. There is the electrical panel there and a bunch of other things. So these are the main things you want to look at for your pool. I have the inlets for the pump and the skimmer, and I have the main pump here. It's a variable speed pump. It's called a Hayward Super Pump VS 700. I find it really good because it's very quiet and it maintains that constant flow of water through the system, through the heater, through the filter, and it's able to maintain a nice clean pool, especially due to this thing here, which is a sand filter. So it does a really good job of maintaining the pool. And that's pretty well it. Everything's organized in this one room. We have a gas line coming in here as well that goes to the pool heater and also feeds a bunch of other things in the cabana, which again, I'm going to post the cabana construction in another video, and I hope you enjoy that one as well. So that's basically just a rundown of where everything goes, where everything comes in with the pool. And those pipes there, those inlet pipes, kind of go underneath the walkway right here and go right to the skimmer. So there's your skimmer unit right there. Right now it's closed for the season, and there's a few other pipes that go into a few additional outlets and suctions. So that's the pool, and I think we did a pretty good job for the first time. It took about, I would say, a good 2 months from start to finish to do everything, starting from excavation to the completed product. But I think we did a pretty good job for the first time, and maybe I'll do it again sometime. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna post more videos about different do-it-yourself projects, construction, engineering, technology, gear, all sorts of cool things, and I hope you enjoy.